रशियन गवर्नमेंट ने ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट दिया कि भारत के चुनावों में विदेशी हस्तक्षेप हो रहा है। ऐसा भारत के इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ। और इसके बाद दूसरी सरकार के
भाई, एक सेकेंड भाई. Sorry, he said that the Russian government has been interfering in our elections, and this government, this idiot Modi government, has been doing jack shit about it. One of the interesting things that is happening in Parliament is that George Soros has been mentioned.
Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, concern over suspicious and conspicuous attacks on national interest from abroad.
Wow.
सभापति महोदय, मैं एक अत्यंत गंभीर
Okay, just to give you context, this is called a 0-hour notice. What is happening right now is a 0-hour notice. What that means is that the MPs will submit a written statement, if 350 words a day before the session is to be held, and they can raise it during 0 hour. So this was raised on the 5th of December 2024. This time I'm going to try and draft a few 0 hours myself and give it to MPs also, especially about the Mission Swaraj. Let's see if there are any takers. But yeah, this is a 0 hour.
महत्वपूर्ण और चिंताजनक विषय पर सदन का ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहूंगा। जब से भारत श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक उभरती हुई सामरिक, आर्थिक और कूटनीतिक शक्ति बनकर उभरा है,
अच्छा,
तब से यह बहुत सहज रूप से देखा जाने लगा है, विशेषकर विगत 3 वर्षों से, जब से भारत को विकसित भारत बनाने का लक्ष्य रखा गया है, कि विदेश की बहुत सी ऐसी गतिविधियां हैं जो भारत की व्यवस्था के आर्थिक पक्ष, भारत की व्यवस्था के नैतिक पक्ष, सामाजिक पक्ष पर आक्रमण कर रही हैं। इस संदर्भ में एक रिसेंट जानकारी आई है जिसे हम कह सकते हैं ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम एंड करप्शन रिपोर्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट।
Oh, CCRP. Oh, so this is basically that thread that the BJP did. I got it. So they did this, and there was a thread also which the BJP official handled it. But hear him out first.
A French publication has recently published its own report based on its investigation on the Sarajevo-based OCCRP, Organized Crime Corruption Reporting Project. This new report of the media report has claimed.
You will lay the report on the table of the House.
जी।
Go ahead.
इस रिपोर्ट के अनुसार यह कहा गया है कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को फॉरेन गवर्नमेंट्स की फंडिंग है और उसका फोकस इंडिया के ऊपर भी है, और इस फॉरेन गवर्नमेंट की फंडिंग के साथ साथ जॉर्ज सोरोस के साथ भी इनका कनेक्शन है। अब ये केवल हम एक रिपोर्ट के आधार पर नहीं कह रहे हैं सभापति महोदय, मैं सदन का ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहूंगा कि विगत 3 वर्षों से यह क्या एक संयोग है कि जिस समय भारत की संसद का सत्र चलता है, मैं सिर्फ एक संयोग बता रहा हूं, भारतीय फार्मर्स के बारे में रिपोर्ट आती है 3 फरवरी 2021, बजट सत्र है 29 जनवरी 2021। पेगासस रिपोर्ट आती है 18 जुलाई 2021, मानसून सत्र है 19 जुलाई 2021।
अरे भाई, 29th of like the budget session started, and then farmers के ऊपर जो रिपोर्ट आया था, that was also because the farmers protest was happening during that time. I remember that OCCRP report, the one about Adani warehouses. I think that's the one he's talking about. Also, OCCRP has been doing great work investigating Adani. That's why they're so pissed off with them. They are the ones who found like that inflated invoice thing that I was telling you about, where Adani allegedly is controlling entire supply chains, and Indonesia se he brings coal, and by the time it leaves port there and comes here, the price has become like triple, and then the Indian citizens are being made to pay for more expensive electricity as a result. That was OCCRP. That's why these people are pissed off. Basically, what is happening, and I'll continue this, but Adani पे ना इतना like तूफान आ चुका है. Like, there's so much happening to poor business sir right now that these people are trying to just deflect left, right, center, and their favorite target is of course George Soros. That dumbass George Soros, बुढ़ा साला, क्या औकात है उसकी हमारे बिजनेस सर के सामने? Chat, you tell me, who is more powerful? Business sir or George Soros? No, seriously. I mean, objectively, currently, who is more powerful? Business sir, Shri sir, Gautam Adani, or George Soros? You tell me. Network तो मेरे को पता है business sir की ज्यादा है. Yeah, exactly. Chad Adani. भाई मतलब, like seriously, it's like being jealous, like India being jealous of Pakistan for something. I'm being very crude here. I know, but it's the same. Honestly, Sri Sir Gautam Adani is way more powerful than George Soros, and how dare he compare? कुछ भी मतलब जॉर्ज सोरोस क्या चिंदी आदमी है बॉस. एक तो मेरा चेक क्लियर नहीं करता. So I am completely anti George Soros now. I am going to tell people that Adani sir is so much more powerful than George Soros. What are you talking about, man? कुछ भी मतलब.
उसके बाद 31 जनवरी 2023 से भारत की संसद का बजट सत्र शुरू होता है और 24 जनवरी 2023 को हिंडनबर्ग रिपोर्ट आती है. जनवरी 2023 में भारत की संसद का सत्र शुरू होता है और 17 जनवरी 2023 को बीबीसी की डॉक्यूमेंटरी आती है, इंडिया द मोदी क्वेश्चन. और गंभीर महत्वपूर्ण बात है, 20 जुलाई 2023 को भारत की संसद का सत्र शुरू होता है और मणिपुर वायलेंस का वीडियो 19 जुलाई 2023 ठीक एक दिन पहले जारी होता है. पूरे सीक्वेंस में अगर हम चले तो महोदय मैं याद दिलाना चाहूंगा कि
Sorry, can I tell you something, guys? Our parliament right now functions on an average of 57 days a year out of 360 days. On an average, a person, a normal Indian, works for 300 days a year. Our parliamentarians can't even do sittings properly, right? और जो भी उसके आसपास इवेंट्स होता है ना, they connect it and say षड्यंत्र parliament session, whatever. Garbage. एक तो they should be sitting more. They should be sitting for at least 120 days in a year. The parliament should be functioning for 120 days in a year so that there are discussions about things, issues, bills, everything. On an average, every developed country has their legislative assemblies and parliaments and forums, basically, legislative forums, functioning for at least 100 days a year. They put out an advance calendar also. हमारे यहाँ पे 55 days, 57 days, 60 days, that has been the average for the last 2-3 parliaments. UPA wasn't doing great either. Like it has been a declining trend. तो ये लोग ना एक तो parliament रखते नहीं है. Now imagine if like you had parliament for more time. So any incident that happens is to disrupt parliament or what? And where else will you raise the issues if not in parliament? How the hell are you supposed to like raise issues otherwise with the central government? This is a forum for the people. So if like Shri Sir Binnes Sir, who controls so much of our economy currently and is the biggest businessman and more powerful than George Soros himself, is controlling Haifa port, Bangladesh ka, ye, Sri Lanka. So international man of business he is now. If he has an arrest warrant against him, which he has in the Americas, which is a powerful country, shouldn't that be discussed in parliament? That's a big issue, man. I feel like that's a genuinely national issue in national interest, because you keep saying that Adani is India and India is Adani. That oh Adani ji is like oh India को गाली मार रहे हो अगर Adani ji को गाली मार रहे हो तो फिर discuss करो ना. Like if you say that oh he is as important as the entire country, then anything that happens to him should be discussed in parliament, no? What the actual F? They don't allow this, and then this garbage they allow. This garbage they allow in parliament. OCCRP, George Soros, षड्यंत्र, that is allowed, but for the entire week, first week, they did not allow a discussion on Adani. They did not, right? Now there is this Sambhal issue that is happening, right? Which is, they did like whatever survey, bullshit. I've done a video on it. Go watch it. Now they're going to dig up Ajmer Sharif apparently. What? That's not an issue now. Like, I mean, literally, like in the 90s, we saw like people going riot crazy all across the country. 2,000 people died when the Babri Masjid was brought down, and you want this to happen again. So shouldn't you prevent it before? So shouldn't you at least discuss it in parliament? कि POW Act तुम pass कियो, but like what are you doing about it? Government, by the way, hasn't cleared its stand on Gyanvapi or this Ajmer Sharif or the Krishna Janmabhoomi or all this Mathura Kashi that everybody keeps about. Government has no stand on it yet. Supreme Court has asked for it 2 years ago. The Modi government has not given a stand. So that's why they don't want this discussed in parliament either, because they won't give a stand. They will just keep it like hanging, and these idiots will go around, file petitions and do surveys and whatever, cause violence like crazy, because उनको तो वही चाहिए ना, बीजेपी को तो वही चाहिए. Shiksha, Pani, health, who gives a shit? Adani getting arrested, who gives a shit? Oh look, people are burning themselves. Well done. हम आके ना बाद में वोट लेके जाएंगे. That's their whole strategy, and it is freaking annoying when shit like this is being made like look at how rapidly our
मई
speaker is
2024
listening.
को
Chairman,
कोविड वैक्सीन के बारे में एक रिपोर्ट छपती है जिस समय भारत का चुनाव प्रचार अपने पूर्ण उसके ऊपर था. फिर अभी वर्तमान सत्र हम बताना चाहते हैं कि मानसून सत्र 22 जुलाई
हाँ बता दो.
9 अगस्त के
वो
बीच में
बता.
शुरू होता है और 10 अगस्त को हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट आती है. वर्तमान सत्र 25 नवंबर से प्रारंभ होता है और 20 नवंबर को अमेरिकन कोर्ट के एक अटॉर्नी की रिपोर्ट आती है एक बिजनेस हाउस के संदर्भ में. मैं सिर्फ देश के सामने बात रखना चाहता हूं.
I like how they are so self-important, honestly. Like these people genuinely think that the rest of the world is just thinking about us and our parliament session. अरे देखते हैं हम आप इनका parliament session कब शुरू होगा, तभी हम ये रिलीज करेगा, तभी हम ये अरेस्ट वारंट निकालेगा. They don't give a shit. They don't. And also, every time the parliament will start, उसके पहले कुछ ना कुछ तो इवेंट होने वाला है बॉस. मणिपुर has been burning for an year. He didn't mention that, did he? He didn't say कि before the parliament started an year and a half ago, Manipur started burning. Was that a conspiracy to disrupt parliament also? नहीं बोलेगा ना, नहीं बोलेगा, because that's not connected ना. तुम selectively events pick करोगे, right, to show like some random garbage thing, and this Dhankar will also give you time. Like now he's not speaking, by the way. Like otherwise he has a lot of things to say. Dhankar sir is speaker, but he also speaks a lot. A speaker is not supposed to speak that much. He's the chairman. I mean, Rajya Sabha. Man, this pisses me off. I'm going on a rant.
I'll accept, honorable members.
हाँ
This is honorable members.
बोलो
I'll give
बोलो धनकर.
honorable members. I will give time because listen to me. This is a very serious issue, and we need to have opinion from everyone. This side. We
Oh,
cannot
please.
allow
Oh, please.
largest democracy.
Oh, please, Dhankar, please. Guy does not allow notices at all. So if, for example, BJP wanted to raise this, which they are, they get like a one-sided statement, right? This is a zero, or this is like statement being made, which will be made, and no reactions are allowed. That is how he wants the parliament to function. Basically, the BJP can say whatever the hell they want, but there can be no counter questioning because opposition का कोई notice लेने वाला ही नहीं है. Like 20 notice file कर रहे हैं ये लोग. Like literally on Manipur, on Sambal, on Adani issue, on price rise. Yeah, people care about that still. No, not allowed. किसी को allowed नहीं है. This garbage is allowed, but Dhankar will let you say whatever you want then.
To be made dysfunctional by deep state anywhere else. This house should be united in neutralizing any trend, any initiative that is pernicious, dangerous to our sovereignty. I allow Sudhanshu Trivedi to continue.
मैं सिर्फ ये बताना चाहता हूं कि विगत चुनाव भारत के राजनीतिक इतिहास के एकमात्र चुनाव थे जब विदेश में कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं विपक्ष के सदस्यों
अब ये स्पीच दे रहे. You're not allowed to give a speech in 0 hour.
चाहता हूं रिपोर्ट नहीं. भारत के इतिहास का एकमात्र चुनाव था जब विदेश की एक गवर्नमेंट ने, रशियन गवर्नमेंट ने ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेट दिया कि भारत के चुनावों में विदेशी हस्तक्षेप हो रहा है. ऐसा भारत के इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ. और इसके बाद दूसरी सरकार के
भाई, एक सेकेंड भाई. Sorry, he said that the Russian government has been interfering in our elections and this government, this idiot Modi government has been doing jack shit about it. करो ना अरेस्ट, बताओ, करो अरेस्ट. ये OCCRP, जॉर्ज सोरोस पे अरेस्ट वारंट निकालो, या निकालो. उन्होंने निकाला ना अडानी पे. How dare they? Also Adani is way more powerful than Chomu Soros. So निकालो ना Arrest warrant nikalo, put diplomatic pressure on them to extradite George Soros and bring him to India for all the crimes that are being committed right now. They can't do it though. You realize they want to throw shit at this. They want to like just shit ऐसे shovel shit on everything. Action किसी को नहीं लेना है. बस accusation करते जाना है. That's it. डीप स्टेट कॉन्स्पिरेसी. एग्जैक्टली पूजा केदार. डीप स्टेट कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो रहा है, रशियन इंटरफियरेंस हो रहा है. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? हैं? तुम्हारा गवर्नमेंट क्या कर रहा था? 10 साल हो गए ना. डिड यू प्रिवेंट इट? नो यू डिडंट. इफ यू से दैट हैज हैपेंड, यू शुड बी प्रिवेंटिंग इट. यू डिडंट. हैज एनीवन बीन अरेस्टेड फॉर इट? नो. आर यू स्टिल डूइंग ट्रेड्स विद पुतिन? ऑफ कोर्स यू आर. डिफेंस, ऑयल, गैस सब तो खरीद बेच रहे हैं उनके से. कुछ नहीं, सैंक्शंस नहीं, कुछ नहीं. रशियन गवर्नमेंट इज इंटरफियरिंग विद इलेक्शंस. ओके, एंड यू डू जैक शिट. यू इंक्रीज ट्रेड विद देम.
उसका खंडन किया गया. महोदय, मैं अपने विपक्ष के साथियों से पूछना चाहता हूं कि ये जान के हो रहा है या अनजाने में? अगर अनजाने में हो रहा है तो ईमानदारी से आइए और खुलकर चर्चा करिए. यदि जान के हो रहा है तो मैं अनुरोध करना चाहूंगा कि इसके ऊपर गहन जांच होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि निरंतर मैंने, सभापति महोदय, मैंने कोई घटना कोट नहीं की है, मैंने केवल एक रिपोर्ट कोट नहीं की है.
तो क्या किया है?
3 वर्षों का सीक्वेंस दिया है और जो सदन में बैठा हुआ हर व्यक्ति इसके साथ, अपने साथ बिल्कुल साफ साफ उसे देख सकता है.
How is this garbage allowed? How is this garbage allowed? How? Basically, he's spreading conspiracy theories in the Indian parliament now. That is what we allow. Apparently. मैं भी कर सकता हूं ऐसे. फिर मैं भी कर सकता हूं कि मोदी जी उधर गए ना कहीं तो भी, and then some event happened there. I will be like, the event happened because Modi ji visited that country. Some tragic event happened because Modi ji visited that country and that country. Modi ji बहुत घूमते हैं. It won't be difficult to find tragic events in those countries. We can then say that, oh look, Modi ji is going to all other countries and causing tragic events there. करे क्या? करे? Should we do that? Will the parliament allow us to do that? No, they won't. It's the same thing.
और मगर मैं यह भी कहना चाहता हूं सभापति महोदय कि जिन लोगों
And he
के दिल में
continues
ख्वाब
to
है,
speak.
ये बड़ी एक सहज स्वाभाविक सी बात है.
What?
जिन लोगों के दिल में यह ख्वाब है कि वो भारत को झुका लेंगे, तो मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं
Look at
कि हम
look at the smile on his
श्री
face.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में
it's
जिस प्रकार से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, ये मत सोचें कि विदेश से किसी चीज का प्रभाव पड़ने वाला है. भारत अपने स्वाभिमान के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है. मैं उन लोगों के लिए कहना चाहूंगा, सर, जो विदेश में जाकर यहाँ विचार करते हैं, जो कहते हैं डिफेंडर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी यहाँ क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? सर, डिफेंडर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी जिनको कहते थे, वो प्रधानमंत्री जी की तारीफ कर रहे हैं. इसलिए मैं कहना चाहूंगा, विदेश का
Hey, is that Sudha Murthy? That's Sudha Murthy, right, chat? In the background, who is laughing वहां पे? Sorry, is that Sudha Murthy? I'm confusing, I think.
छाव लेकर, विदेश की छाव लेकर जो भारत में हो रहा है, उनके लिए एक पंक्ति कहना चाहूंगा कि अपने वतन पर सदियों तक है रही हुकूमत गैरों की, लेकिन कुछ चेहरों पर अब तक धूल है उनके पैरों की. इसलिए
That is Sudha Murthy, right? Look at her being super amused.
मैं सभापति जी,
मिस्टर डेरेक ओब्रियन.
हाँ, डेरेक बोलो, कुछ तो काउंटर करो. Today is my outrage time. Chat, if you're enjoying outrage, Meghnad, please say hi.
The House stands adjourned to meet at 12 noon.
Bhai! What the?
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news.
What the hell? What? कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Sir. The House stands adjourned.
He didn't even turn on his mic. He just adjourned it. So he let whatever he had to say happen. Then when opposition wanted to counter it or speak, House stands adjourned. Mic शुरू नहीं किया. Bye. My God, guys. Seriously? Seriously? What the actual F is happening? Oh wow, a lot of people enjoy outrage Meghnad. Huh? I think so. One of the things I feel passionately about is the institution of parliament. In case you don't know, and if you are new, let me just tell you why. I've worked in parliament for 7 years. Then I worked in journalism and covered parliament also for 5 years. I love the institution of parliament. The institution, the idea of it, I love. And I can't stand that these people have been destroying it. And I talk about everyone. And I'm on the side of the institution, right? Everybody else who is not treating it well is a villain in my eyes, right? Starting with speakers to all these other people who are basically doing garbage. So, yeah, I got very pissed off. So, otherwise, I'm very chill. But with this one thing, nah, मेरे से ना हो पाएगा. Okay, Meghnad, I'm not your fan. Whoever you are, I got baited by you.
Yeah, Meghnad, can you hear me?
Yes,
I am
can.
audible.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, good evening to you.
Good evening.
And I think thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. But I think this is a wrong time because there is a scarcity of time. And I needed a lot more time to discuss on various issues with you.
Various issues. Okay, ask me one.
Yeah.
Like, tell me one.
Okay, number one is that this kind of projection that you are neutral or you are against establishment, that's just a way to hide or conceal your real identity as term of your political leanings. So
I'm not
I don't
neutral.
think that is. Excuse me,
I'm not neutral.
you're not neutral.
No, I'm
But
very biased.
the suggestion, you are very biased, right?
Yeah.
So everything which you say cannot be taken at the face value.
No, you
or
shouldn't
on the
take it
basis
at face
of
value.
objectivity.
You shouldn't take it at face
Pardon?
value. You shouldn't take it at face value. You should use your own brain to understand what I'm saying and then obviously not take it at face value. Boss, I'm very biased. I have an
Okay.
agenda.
So can I speak now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then the terms and the vocabulary and the jargonry like bhakts for other side is very hypocritical. You
No,
yourself are a bhakt
okay.
of Congress party. You yourself have admitted.
That?
You yourself have admitted that you are a biased person.
Yes.
So obviously you are not voting for BJP. You are voting for Congress, and that decides what you are.
No, I'm not.
So whom did you vote last time?
It's a secret vote. Why would I tell you?
It's not a secret. No, I will tell you why. Because every Congress supporter is ashamed of his political leanings. So this further verifies that you are a Congress supporter.
Okay, and what will you get with this whole thing? So if you prove today that I'm a Congress supporter, what will you get out of it?
It will destroy and dismantle whatever little credibility you have among your followers here.
Acha, okay, so destroy my credibility against my followers. Sure. Okay, so and what will it get for you, friend? Like what do you get out of this?
It won't get me anything, but it's just a right thing to say.
So
you
you're
gave me this
fighting a
opportunity. I am very
righteous
thankful for
battle. You're righteous battle करने आए हो तुम.
that. Battle? What is battle?
Battle.
Okay, sorry.
This is a
Yes, go ahead.
righteous cause for you, basically. Coming here and saying that I'm
No,
a Congress supporter.
No, it's not a righteous call. Basically, let me tell you what it is.
Okay.
People of your ideology, they throw words like bhakts at others. But the biggest brainwashed, absolutely, I will not use any impolite word.
Yeah.
The absolute blind devotees are from your side.
Okay.
They
What
are
is
so
my side?
intolerant that your side is everything which Congress says or the supporters or the
What is my
echo chamber of
ideology?
Congress.
Bruh, you are saying what?
नहीं
Okay,
रुको ना guys
okay,
wait let them complete, don't pile on. What is my ideology?
Okay. See, let me get to the crux of the matter, right?
No, what is my ideology? You
India-
said people of my ideology. You have to define my ideology now.
So I will go step by step. Do you want a fruitful discussion or a typical TV like debate.
You came in here angrily. Like till now, if you were waiting,
No,
you
no.
know that there were a
Not
lot
at
of
all.
people who were having nice
I-
conversations. You chose to take this super aggressive stance and come here and say that, oh, I'm going to disillusion and destroy you in front of your own followers and all the things. So you are the one who is turning this into a TV debate, man. Like I would love it if we have a normal, non-aggressive, human, nice conversation. Are you capable of doing that?
100%. If you let me say what I want to say.
You have been saying it.
Can I continue?
Yeah, but like you came to destroy me, man. Now how will I have a conversation
No,
with you?
no. Let me say something now.
Okay.
I came here. I gave you my salutation. I said, "Hi, Meganot. Thank you for giving me the opportunity." It's not aggressive. And then you ask me. You continuously ask me that what would I gain by saying what I am saying. So therefore, I said that it will dismantle your credibility as a
अच्छा ठीक है
so-called
नो बट आई
neutral
आस्क्ड यू
observer of
व्हाई
Indian politics.
व्हाट डू यू गेट आउट ऑफ इट लाइक ठीक है तुमने मुझे डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया फ्रेंड like you have said that I'm a
Okay.
Congress supporter, you have proved that I'm not neutral, you have proved I'm biased, you have proved that I'm evil, you have proved I'm doing all the wrong things in the world, you have proved that I am brainwashed, right? I'm dishonest, I am whatever else you want to call me. तुमको क्या मिल रहा है इसमें से? Tell me, what pleasure are you getting
I
out of
will-
this?
I will not say tumko or tu. I will keep the language respectful. But anyways, I will get this. Hello.
No, तुमको क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ से? मतलब like by doing this,
I will
what
get
will
the
you
same
get?
pleasure. Yeah, I'm saying. Let me complete. I will get the same pleasure you get by spreading negative propaganda against BJP. The same, equal.
Okay, fair enough. So I get pleasure support spreading. So wait, so you
Negative
are
propaganda.
saying that because I'm anti-BJP, you will come here and destroy me, and you will also feel pleasure.
Not destroy you. I am not concerned about you. I don't know who you are. I will destroy
So,
your
like, so
credibility
if
will
you
get
don't know who
disrupted
I
itself.
am, how do you know what my ideology is?
You are online. You are a supporter of Congress. That's all I know. I don't know you personally. I think you
I'm
don't
not
understand
a
the difference
supporter
between these
of
many things.
Congress. When did I say I'm a supporter of Congress? कुछ भी
Who did you
मतलब
vote last
बकवास.
time? Who did you vote last time?
मैं क्यों बताऊं भाई मेरा सीक्रेट वोट है
Yes, but
मैंने इंडिपेंडेंट को दिया जा
वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ यू
इंडिपेंडेंट को दिया मैंने
Pardon?
इंडिपेंडेंट को दिया
इंडिपेंडेंट को दिया कम ऑन
अब तुम बिलीव नहीं करोगे सी व्हाट आई मीन लाइक इफ आई से मैंने इंडिपेंडेंट को दिया तू तो बिलीव करने वाला है नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ सीक्रेट वोट है वो भी नहीं चाहिए तुमको तो प्रूव ही करना है कि मैंने कांग्रेस को दिया
because buddy you yourself has said on one of the stream that you voted for one of the Indian alliance and in Delhi it could be only Aam Aadmi Party.
ओके फेयर इनफ गो ऑन
So that's
तो
it.
कांग्रेस
What's your
कहाँ है
next question?
फिर
So of course it's Congress. What is the difference between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party?
ओ भी
What is the
ओके
difference?
फाइन ठीक है अब ये भी आ
What
गया
is the difference between
what is the difference
Huh?
between VHP and BJP
VHP, Vishwa Hindu Parishad? You are talking about Vishwa Hindu Parishad.
yes
Ideologically they are same. They are against regressive Stone Age medieval doctrine of Islam.
Okay.
I am also against it.
great
You are with it.
I am with
You are
it
with it, my
also
friend.
अच्छा ये भी डिक्लेयर कर दिया
Yes.
तुमने so अच्छा
Yes,
फ्रेंड
of course you
अच्छा
are with it.
अच्छा एक सेकंड फ्रेंड
Let me tell me one thing. What is your stance on Sambal issue?
यार संबल इशू में आई डोंट लाइक व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन
You don't like. So can you are an educated person. Describe it more. It's a simple.
I think
don't
it is
like
against the
it does not work.
Places of Worship Act of 1991, which says that all religious buildings that have been in a particular religious character need to remain in that religious character as of 15th August 1947. The only exception was Ram Janmabhoomi, which was resolved because the Supreme Court gave it legal backing and all the things. That's great. We got a Ram
Okay.
Mandir. That's also great. A lot of people got a lot of justice because of it. I'm very happy about that. But at the same time, I want freeze frame now. I don't think it should happen to any other buildings. And I want the Places
now-
of Worship Act to be followed in this country because it is a law.
Okay, but there was no provision of knowing the true character of that particular monument.
By-
That does not come under that act.
Bhai, religious
Arey.
character is basically something that Justice Chandrachud has said in court in an oral observation that the religious character, finding out the religious character of a building is no harm. That's an oral observation. The BJP was asked
So
for a
the
stand
survey-
on Gyanvapi and Krishna and all these disputes, and the BJP hasn't given their stance in 2 years. Why?
Tell me one thing. What
Why
was
haven't they
legally
given
wrong
their
in
stance
survey
in
of
2
Sambal?
years? Court
Meghna,
ने पूछा है.
Tell me what is legally wrong in the survey of Sambal?
I don't like it. It
What is
will
legally wrong?
incite a lot of violence. It will upset a lot of people. I
Yeah.
don't think it's a good idea to upset people.
Now you are coming to the nuts and bolts of the issue. There is a certain mob which will get violent, which will get aggressive. इसलिए हम डर के रहें. इसलिए we cannot do things which are permitted under even the law.
So you want
That's your
violence?
ideology. No, there.
So you want to piss people off?
You think? No. So you think the certain people, supposedly, if they are pissed, they have right to take
Certain
arms in their
people
hand.
क्यों बोल रहे
You
हो?
are
कौन
supporting
बोलो
those-
ना?
No, no,
You are
एक
supporting
मिनट
this
भाई,
aggressive
सुन ना।
behavior.
एक
You are
मिनट तुमसे
supporting
एक सवाल है बस मुझे।
these elements.
अच्छा,
सुन ना।
एक सेकंड. Counter radical. I know this is very unproductive. I know it's getting very unproductive because
No,
man,
I
you're
just
being
want to-
No,
super
you are
like
unable to
angry.
answer logically.
No,
It's
I
not
just want to
unproductive.
ask him one question.
Okay.
It will answer everything that he knows.
Okay.
Hey, my friend,
Go ahead.
you said one
Go ahead.
per community. I just want to ask, if someone comes and destroys your home, would you go and protest or not? Just tell me yes or no. हाँ या ना
So
बोलो।
what was destructed in Khambal?
They were coming to do a survey. That survey will lead to
so
court case. That
survey
survey will
destruction.
lead to destruction of that masjid. Same.
Survey will lead to destruction of survey. Prove that. How is it logically possible? A survey, a
So-
court
we have seen
ordered
that
survey,
happen in the Ram
a court
Janmabhoomi.
order activity. Mr. Counter Radical, are you saying a court order activity is illegal? Is
Court has
is this your
ordered it
intellectual
without
level?
discussing other
Is this your
time, my
intellectual
friend.
level?
Court.
Is
अरे
this
यार,
your
okay,
intellectual
ये
level?
बहुत पर्सनल हो रहे हैं यार
एक मिनट,
सर.
एक मिनट। अच्छा, tell me, what are you saying?
नहीं नहीं, काउंटर रेडिकल
You
एंड
are saying a
सात्विक. एक
court-
सेकंड. सॉरी गाइस, सॉरी, एक सेकंड. Sorry. You are talking to a person who is very aggressive right now, so please don't do this. Let me handle this. This person is very mad at me, right? So I don't want you guys
No,
to
no,
like
not at
sort
all.
of-
Not
like
at all.
clearly, sir, you are
Not at
very angry and you are very pissed off with
Not at
me,
all.
and you have come
Not at
to
all.
prove a
And I
point
will
and
tell you the
destroy
reason why.
me.
I will tell you the reason why. I'm
I
not
know.
mad.
You've told me many reasons why. And are you done?
No, I was in the mid of an argument. You butt in.
No, because your arguments are very angry, sir. I don't like it.
No, I may be.
I don't like
may be
talking to you.
speaking I may be speaking in a little bit of louder tone, but I am not at all.
I don't like
mad.
talking to you. So far, I have given you time, but I don't like talking to you. You don't seem like a very nice person to talk to, honestly. I'm not enjoying this.
Okay. I think it's your call.
Yeah.
If you don't like me, I cannot force you to like me.
Yes. Clearly, you don't like me either. So I also can give you the same courtesy, no? And I don't like you, man.
I don't like your political views.
Yes,
I don't know
correct.
you
But I
personally,
don't
so
like
will
you
not
as a
do that statement
person.
that I
I'm
don't like
telling you, I don't like you as a person, man. I don't care about your political views.
It does not matter.
Fitly.
Okay, अब मैं जाऊँ. Bye, Meghnad. I'm not your fan. It was great talking to you. I gave you a
Okay,
chance.
Congressy supporter Pappu Bhakt. Bye, Pappu Bhakt.
और कुछ बोलना है? और कुछ गाली मारनी है?
नहीं यार, तुम लोग बेशर्म होते हो यार. क्या बोले ज्यादा?
अब बोलो ना.
You know,
और बोलो.
YouTube पे वीडियो में राइट हैंड साइड टॉप कॉर्नर एक क्रॉस आइकन है,
God.
दबा दे.
Like
Oh,
एक
why?
मैं
These low IQ
Thank you.
Pappu Bhakt.
हाँ,
Low
हाँ.
IQ
आज के
Pappu
लाइव
Bhakt.
स्ट्रीम
My God.
व्यू के लिए
Such a low
धन्यवाद
IQ
और
illustration.
Don't you have a
एंगेजमेंट के लिए भी
perspective?
धन्यवाद.
दो ही
अब
party
आप
is
प्लीज
देश
जा
में,
सकते
बेवकूफ.
हैं.
तुमको पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं है
स्टेज
क्या?
से जाना बे.
Bunch of मदरसा छाप पप्पू
ए
भक्त.
भाई जा भाई, इसको निकालो तो यहाँ से.
लिख पप्पू भूत.
रुक जा. अरे रुको ना. मुझे और गालियां सुनने दो ना. थोड़ा सा ऐसे रिकॉर्ड होने दो ना ये सब. हाँ, बोलो. गाली मारो और.
सुन लो भैया, please everybody clear it. Hear it very clearly. This guy is a Pappu Bhakt, and you
Okay.
are even having lesser IQ than him if you are his fan
Okay. And
or listening to him. And I think this is enough. What more do you want from me?
हो गया.
और
और
वैसे भी कांग्रेस इलेक्शन हार रही जब से तू आया प्रोपेगेंडा करना मेरे भाई. बड़ा
अच्छा,
अच्छा
और?
काम कर रहा है तू.
और
करते रहे.
और?
हाँ, और बोल. और देख, मैं और गालियां तो मुझे आती नहीं तेरी तरह, तो मैं इतना ही बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैं तेरे लेवल पे तो गिरूंगा नहीं. Because you guys regularly abuses mother and sisters of other side, but I am not like you.
ठीक है. हो गया. अब
I will
जाओ.
not fall to that level.
अब हो गया ना.
हाँ?
जाओ. अब हो गया.
तू निकाल लेना कि तेरे को प्रॉब्लम है यार. आता नहीं क्या निकालना? अजीब आदमी है यार.
अरे भाई ठीक है ना. हो गया ना. मार ली गाली. यू आर वेरी हैप्पी.
भाई तेरे को बेइज्जती लग रही तो मुझे निकाल देना. कैसा आदमी है?
ओके फाइन.
निकालना मेरे भाई.
बाय.
हाँ तो बाय करना. निकालना.
अरे कर रहा हूँ रे भाई. रुक जा. मेरे को
तुझे गाली खाने में मजा आती है क्या? कैसा है? सेल्फ एस्टीम है कि नहीं कुछ? भाई की सेल्फ एस्टीम है कि नहीं, तेरे को कुछ निकालना मुझे?
Okay, okay. Yeah, back to normal.
He's a horrible person, doesn't
काय चाललंय
deserve
काय इथे?
to
दोन मिनिट.
have access
तमाशा
to a
म्हणतात याला
community.
काय काय पण चालेल.
He needs to
I
really
I was about
go.
to say that
एक सेकंड ना, मैं रीजन दे रहा हूँ कि
एक
उसको
ना।
बैन क्यों किया. थेरेपी, hopefully he will find some good friends someday, because at this rate I don't think he will make a good friend. Women, keep away. Thanks.